Hi everyone, the question is the number of continuous functions f with domain 0 close to 3 by 2 closed and codomain 0 open to infinity satisfying the equation 4 times integral 0 to 3 by 2 fx dx plus 125 times integral 0 to 3 by 2 dx by under root fx plus x square equal to 108. So here one way of doing this is what since under root fx plus x square is there, let me take fx plus x square as, let's say, gx, so that in under root it is just good to see one term. Yeah, so that means what fx is g of x minus x square. So 4 times integral 0 to 3 by 2 fx is what, g of x minus x square, yes, plus 125 times integral 0 to 3 by 2 dx by under root gx is equal to 108. So this x square you can take on right side, and what you get is integral 0 to 3 by 2 4 times gx plus 125 by root gx dx is equal to 108 plus 4 times integral 0 to 3 by 2 x square dx. Now this is what, x cube by 3, this integral. So you have what, if we just evaluate this, you get 4 times 3 by 2 cube by 3. So what you get is 9 by 2. 1 3 will cancel out, you get 9 by 2, yes, 9 by 2, so 4.5. So what you get is 112.5. Now what about this? Here fx is always positive, so fx plus x square is always positive, yeah, because x square is greater than or equal to 0 and fx is greater than 0, so it's always positive, and things seem sorted here, yeah. And fx is positive, that means gx, which is f of x plus x square, we have just not commented, is positive, yeah, for sure. So here there is this interesting thing that we will be doing. We'll be using AMGM on this function, on this expression, yeah. So here, and it is quite tricky in my opinion. So here what you say is 4gx plus 125 by 2 root gx. The reason for doing this way is what? So that as you take arithmetic mean and the geometric mean turns out to be constant. So it's greater than or equal to 3 times you have gx root gx. So they will cancel out in geometric mean wala expression, and what you have is 124 times 125 times 125 divided by 2. So this 2 and this 4 will cancel out, and you have 125 square to the power 1 by 3. We are talking about geometric mean on these 3 terms, yeah. So this is this expression on left hand side, whose integration from 0 to 3 by 2 is what we are considering with respect to x. So this expression is greater than or equal to, if you see carefully, 75, yeah. Now even if you take the minimum possible value of this expression, which is supposed to be 75, integral 0 to 3 by 2 75 dx is what? It will be 75 times 3 by 2, which is essentially 225 by 2, which is essentially 112.5, which is what the right hand side is. Else the left hand side would be more than 112.5. So that means for equality to hold, left hand side should be taking this minimum possible value 112.5 by, because right hand side is this minimum possible value of left hand side, which is 112.5, which will happen when both these terms are equal. That means all the 3 terms are equal, these 2 will anyway be equal. So 4gx is equal to 125 by 2 root gx for all x, so to speak, right? So here you get this g of x to the power 3 by 2 is 125 by 8. So that means gx will be what? It will be 125 by 8 to the power 2 by 3. So it is 25 by 4. So what do we want? We want the number of such continuous functions f. So fx is what? Fx is essentially gx minus x square. So fx is 25 by 4 minus x square, and it is this unique function f of x for which this equation would hold. That means the number of such functions is 1. B is the answer. Thanks for listening.